Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
And what are these mental tools which you basically empower them with?
See, along with the breathing techniques and the vocalization, your visualization techniques, some of the most powerful mental techniques is deep breathing. Deep breathing is basically like a relaxation technique. It activates the body's relaxation response, so which is very, very much required for the labor to progress, right? And the second thing is visualization. Okay. So visualization is like you visualize every contraction like a wave. So we train them to surf through that waves.
Okay.
Right? So if you're just looking at contractions, you're gonna be like, I'm getting it, it's done, I'm getting it, it's done. And then you're anticipating another one, but you're really scared. Right? That way you're not in a calm state. But if you look at each contraction like a wave, and you get your techniques right, how to, when the wave is starting, how do you do your breathing, when the wave is ending, how do you do your breathing. So if you look at it like a wave, you will surf through. Okay. And surfing through each wave, how much ever the height is, you will still get through if you have all these techniques. So the second one was visualization. And finally, the third one, which I strongly believe, is affirmations. This needs to start from the day that you get to know you're pregnant. You should be telling yourself that your body knows what it has to do. You need to let your body do what it has to do. So that letting part is what we learn, right? Your body even if you're in a state where you don't want to do anything, your body is still doing its job. Your body is still processing, it's giving all the hormones out, it's taking care of the baby, everything's done by the body. But that 10% of work is that we have to let the body do what it has to do.
Okay.
So that way, I think affirmations help. So you should be telling yourself you're capable. You should trust your body, and your body is capable. You are capable. You are strong. So if you can keep saying that every time from the time you're pregnant, I think it makes a huge difference for the labor journey.